Congratulations, you have now completed your Navigating Notion course. Whilst we didn't cover every Notion feature, we did cover all of the foundational elements that you need to get started and using Notion effectively. Your confidence will continue to grow as you use Notion on a daily basis. The purpose of this course was to help you overcome Notion's sometimes steep learning curve, but also to help you onboard your team to using Notion, particularly if you're migrating from another tool, because technical barriers shouldn't stand in the way of building systems that solve your real business challenges. And that's what this channel is all about, providing systems, strategy, and support to help you work towards operational excellence, because we know that operational efficiency is at the heart of predictable, scalable, and sustainable growth. Before we talk about what's next, I want to share a personal story with you. I first started my business when I was 20 years old. I had no money, no skills, and no experience. Certainly no AI. Back then, I had no idea how to run a business or where I should be focusing my attention. There was someone that I'd followed on the earlier days of Twitter who was very successfully doing what I wanted to do. His name was Robert Caruso, and I remember just taking a leap of faith and reaching out and asking him for help. He immediately said yes and became my mentor, guiding me and many others on the ins and outs of building an agency. 14 years later, I've had many incredible mentors guide me to where I am today, which is in a position where I get to share my knowledge and experience with you. That's why there will always be two paths available when you're ready to take the next step together. If you're ready to invest time, you can start with your free Business Ops Starter Kit. This contains 20 plus business resources designed to help you execute with a little more ease, whether it's in sales, marketing, or client management. Many of these resources do include Notion templates. For that reason, you'll find the Navigating Notion course alongside instructions included in this kit. It means you can duplicate it into your workspace and have your team go through it, tracking their progress along the way. You will find access to this free starter kit in the description below. Now, if you are in a position to buy back your time and you would like more direct support, there's a number of ways that we can work together. Again, I'll include links to those in the description. Of course, this channel is also a way for us to stay connected in each other's worlds. If you find value in the content that I share, I invite you to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will continue to share videos with your needs in mind. If you have any questions, feedback, or content requests, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll meet you there. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope to see you back here soon.